Okay, I hope this works. It's not something I really like to do in the heat of the day, but this is the last of the 8 patterns needed to test for black belt recommended at Cho's Taekwondo Karate in Houston, Texas. Grandmaster Cho School, who has been teaching for over 32 years. I've been his student for 15 plus, it'll be 16 this December 2011. Okay, Toi Gye is brown belt, first brown belt pattern you learn, and if you're practicing outside in the heat, make sure you drink lots of water, stay hydrated, and if you're starting an exercise program, check with the doctor first. You'll see I injured my shoulder. I have a acromyoclavicle clavulicar joint separation, grade 1. It's a small tear in the joint that connects the clavicle to the scapula. I have to be careful. I can't do anything with power or strength, no pushing, pulling, lifting with any strength. So I'm going to be doing this very deliberate and slow and talking you through each step. Chariot, Chumbi, okay, Shi, Jacques, in, up, and out, and feet together, like Chungan. Okay, back stance, chamber, inner forearm block, shift into a front stance, and strike. Okay, I got to start that over. I'm not starting the tape over. All right, Chariot, Chumbi, Shi, Jacques, in, up, and out, and feet together. Back stance, inner forearm block, shift into front stance, stride. So you strike like that. Feet together. The arm that's going down is on the inside, the arm going up is on the outside. Chamber, back stance, inner forearm block, strike. Again. Stepping forward, good front stance, chamber high, X block, do not lean forward, nice back, straight back, in and double block. Front snap kick, punch punch, not axe kick with a straight leg, but bent leg. Front snap, punch punch. Feet together, elbow attack. Do it with power, I'm not. Okay. Small step, axe kick, land in a riding stance, arms up and block. Axe kick, land in a back stance, riding stance, X block, block, block. Keep the hands high, okay? And in between transition in any pattern, if you don't know what you do with your hands, keep them in a fighting stance. So it was 2, 3, and then 1 back this direction. Hands nice and high, knees bent, riding stance, arms at least shoulder height. They can be a little higher if you want, but not like this. Palms facing out in Grandmaster Cho style. Sometimes people have them facing in, but Grandmaster Cho teaches that way. At least that's the way he taught me. Feet together, chamber, back stance, twin, offset, upset, punch. Shift into a front stance, grab, knee attack, feet together, back stance, knife hand guarding. Shift the weight to the back leg, front snap, kick, land in a front stance, spear finger. Stepping forward, back stance, knife hand guarding, front snap, land in a front stance, spear finger. Stepping back into a back stance, grabbing and pulling. Stepping forward, jump, and low, X block. Stepping with your right leg, up into a good front stance, twin block. Turning, I'm going to move a little bit, like this, over here. Turning, back stance, 1 move, strike. 2 hands, straight arms. Arm comes up, circle block. You can see, not like this, really twist and torque your body, okay? Feet together, arms come up, and strike. Circle block. Each time, torque and twist your body. Let your feet move so that you can do the proper form for the upper body. And then, riding stance, Kia! And together. Okay. from behind. Whew. Hope this works. Okay, let's see, go this way. Step forward. Position B. She check in, up and out, and feet together. Back stance in the forearm block. Shift into the front stance, stride. Feet together. Block. Chamber, back stance, inner forearm block. Shift into the front stance, stride. Feet together, double blocks. Block. Stepping forward, X block, in and double punch. Front snap, land, punch, punch, right, left. Feet together, small step with your left. Axe kick, X block, and open. Axe kick, X block, and open. That's 2 that way, 3 this way. I'm not doing the upper body with any kind of power because I have to behave myself. I don't want to injure myself any further than what is already injured. Okay, so it's 2, 2, 3, and then 1. Then feet together, whoops. Twin, offset, upset punch. In the back stance, shift to the front stance. Grab the neck, knee attack, feet together, feet together. Another common mistake is that people land with their feet apart. So neck attack, feet together, back stance, knife hand, guarding. Snap kick, spear finger. Back stance, front snap, spear finger. Step behind, back stance, jumping, kia, nice and low on the X block. Stepping with your right foot, I'm going to back up a little bit. Stepping with your, so you're here. Stepping with your right foot, under good front stance, chamber, double block. One move, chamber and land, then strike, straight arms. Circle block, feet together, chamber, strike, circle block, really torque that body, circle block, and you circle block. And you can see each time one hand's blocking, the other hand is at the waist, okay? And riding stance, punch, kia, and paro, and up, out, and feet together. Okay, last thing is this. Whew, I don't like doing this in the heat of the day. Last thing is this. Stand with your feet together, and this block, you know, practicing. You don't want your hands in close like this. You want your hands out a little bit, like this, okay? And one is going to go on the inside and one on the outside. See, and you keep it, see, it's about the width of my body. It's a little out from my body, okay? So think of it this way. The inside hand is going down and the outside hand is coming on the outside. Excuse me. The hand that's going down is on the inside. The hand that's going up is on the outside. And now see, switch. So now I have to pull my shoulder out a little bit and pull this one in a little bit. This is going on the inside, the downward, and the one on the outside is up. See? So practice that. Look at yourself in the mirror and practice that. Okay, here it is from the front. Okay, see? Nice tight fist. You don't see my hands all loose. I call it pencil fist with a hole in the middle like that. Tight fist. Tight fist, okay? And if you practice this block separate, then when you do a pattern with this in it, it becomes more easy. Here it is from the side. It's in Poirang as well. I don't remember what other patterns it's in, but it's in a number of them, okay? So that's it for now. If you want to access more about me or access some of the things that I offer for free, check out my website. It's expandingheart.com. Free booklets, cards, music, things like that. Till next time, peace, love, and happy practicing.